Good morning, everyone. My name is Ananya Sethi, and today I am here to present my portfolio website, which showcase my skills, my projects, and technical knowledge. And this project is designed to give the clear idea about my portfolio. This is the hero section of my website, in which I have added my name and professional roles and the short introduction. And the purpose of this section is to create the strong first impressions. And the next section is about me. In this section, I have added my educational background and my journey in the web development and the short overview about myself. And I also have added my certificate, which I have gained my journey in the web development. This is the education part. I have completed my BTech in 2025 and diploma 2021, and this is my 12th and 10th. This is the skills which I have used in the web development: HTML, CSS, JavaScript, Bootstrap, Tailwind, React, Node.js, MongoDB, MySQL, Git, VS Code, and Postman. These are the technology I recently used to build modern and responsive web applications. Selected project. In this section is very important for my portfolio, in which I have added my project descriptions, what technology I have used, and I have used two buttons, live and code. Live button is used for the to show my website, and code button is used for the GitHub link. Firstly, I will show my first project. This is my Everroot project, that is the furniture e-commerce website. This is the GitHub code. You can access this code. This is the second project, that is about the multiple disease production system. Here you have to fill all the inputs like I am filling. Then you get the result that the person is diabetic or not. Here you can see that the result is shown that person is diabetic. And the next project is my crypto flow. For this website I have used React. And the next project is iStudio web page, in which I have used HTML, CSS, Bootstrap, and JavaScript. And this is the real estate project. For this project, I have used HTML, CSS. This is the contact us section, where visitor can easily contact me through the email, LinkedIn, and GitHub. And this is the link where they can directly contact me. And here you can send me your query, like I am writing. Now I am going to tell you about this portfolio website, in which I have used React and Tailwind CSS, and this is fully responsive, and you can see all the sections. Like when click on the about, it will redirect on the about section. When you click on the skills, it will go on the skill part like this. And this is the resume button, where you can download my resume. I am showing you my resume. All the buttons are working in this portfolio website. Thank you. It is practical way to present myself professionally.